Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel BRP Traders. Some of the charts I have posted in the Telegram channel also, guys. You can check out my Telegram channel, link in the description also. You can see that CAD versus CHF, this is the analysis, guys. You can see that I have told you exactly this is the broken trend line and one-sided momentum we have been got here only. Okay guys, after that you can see that this is the trend line. If this is broken, you have to take your short position or you have to exit somewhere here only, because this is continuously consolidating. This is the not happening. If we wanted the big momentum, it will cannot consolidate this much, guys. It will broke and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, hope you are getting this analysis. Okay guys, this is the CAD versus and JPY. Okay guys, somewhere here only exactly taken support. I have told you one-sided momentum we have been captured. After that you can see that taken support goes upside, once again taken support, once again goes upside momentum. Somewhere here only I have captured this, goes upside momentum. Somewhere here only it's coming downside. I have exited one-sided momentum. I have traded this and this. Okay guys, these two we have traded and we have got very nice money. Hope you have also traded and got the money, guys. Okay guys, somewhere here guys, CHF versus JPY. Here only you can see that what happened is that what we have expected that it will taken resistance, exactly taken our first target, exactly reached. After that only here only the supporting area. That's why it goes on a reversible. After this is the its high is broken. I have taken my long position. You can see that one-sided momentum we have captured. Somewhere here only my SL also triggered, and I have also making here only the means long position also, guys. After that we have made very nice money in these two, guys. Hope you have also traded this and made it a huge money. Here also, if you have taken here also, you can see that one-sided momentum, our first target reached. After that only you have exited also. You have got very nice and good money of amount. Okay guys, we can see for next pair which we have discussed with that CHE versus ZAR. Okay guys, exactly that only happened, guys. You can see here exactly taken resistance from here only. You can see that exactly this trend line has been broken. Just a second, trend line broken, taken resistance, one sided. Our first target reached. I have told you exactly second target only reached, and reversible has been came. You can see that one sided momentum downside also we have captured, in upside momentum also we have captured. Hope you have also captured and made a huge amount of money in euro versus AUD also. You can see here, guys, what I have told you. If it will take resistance somewhere here only, it's taking resistance somewhere here only. At this red candle only I have made my short position. I have kept my SL at this position. You can see that continually consolidate. Also it is coming to take my SL. I am ready for it, but it came downside, and you can see that my two target reached. After that only I have exited my whole quantity, because I need a money, because I am trading so many pairs of currency pairs. So that's why I have exited whole quantity. Hope you are getting the all analysis behalf of this. Okay guys, somewhere here also upside momentum also, why it came, I have told tell you this logic also. You can see that here only the huge momentum has been came. Okay guys, somewhere here only you cannot see that it will be reversible from this area. After that only exactly taken a support and goes upside. Exactly you have kept SL here also. You can see that smallly came, but one-sided momentum has been given. Okay guys, these are the small points we have. That's why I am telling you why I am not trail my SL, because of these points, guys. If you have trailed your SL, you have exited somewhere here only, you have not captured this much huge amount of money what you have get in the profit. That's why I'm telling you, guys, these are the small points which you have to take the eye on it. Okay guys, somewhere here also you can see that taking resistance came downside. I have taken my short position somewhere here only. My SL has been kept. I have here my SL has been taken. I have not taken any position here, because I have too many position in all the currencies. That's why I'm not made any position in that. Okay guys, somewhere here also GBP versus AUD also I have not made any position, because already I have so many position. I do not want it to mess up my things. That's why I have not taken any position some of here also. Okay guys, but I will tell you the analysis also, guys. Somewhere here only continuously it's consolidating. After that this is broken. You can see here I am not wanted to see anything. This is the trend line broken. You have to take easily this momentum, guys. Hope you have traded this and you have made it a huge amount of money. Okay guys, we can see for next is euro versus AUD. Okay, guys. In Euro versus AUD, we have not told you anything about it. Okay, hope you have liked this video, and please do like, and if you have any queries, please comment me down and tell me about your queries, guys. If you are not getting any analysis, please tell me that. Yeah, I will make you the definitely the best video for you. Somewhere here also I will discuss you about it. Euro versus AUD, you can see that continuously consolidating. After this is broken, you have to take one of the position. After that also you have not made any position. Here also you can see that how nicely it came downside momentum. Okay guys, these are the small points which we have to see, guys. That's why I'm telling you, guys, please go and watch my analysis. There are so many small points what we have talked, and those only make you a real trader, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.